Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to verify account on Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here at the top right. Once you're logged in, click on your name or your profile icon, click here on your account, and then I want you to click here edit on your phone number. Choose your country. So this is my country right here, and then enter your phone number, and then just click here on save, and they'll send you a verification code that you will need to go ahead and click on it, and then you'll basically be verified once you confirm your phone number. So a confirmation request has been sent to me right now, as you can see, and once I click on the link that is sent to me on the SMS, my account would be verified. So that is how you verify account on Splitwise.